today is Friday, April 25th, 2025. You know what? Today is my payday, right? I got already paid about 10 minutes ago. So I am now definitely in the black. I'm not living paycheck to paycheck, but I have enough savings in the stocks, and my wife has a patch of land, and we have our own apartment, which is a house in Korea. Of course, the title is to my wife, so sometimes many people are worried that when it comes to the boil, my wife would desert me and I would be kicked out of my apartment. There's some worry about that, right? Sometimes your relationship falters, but I would be okay. So today I'm going to have a meeting. I'm going to visit ComeInWash.com company in Korea, in Seoul, and I would like to know more about the car wash business and see what kind of internet, IoT, or cloud, or any other data service to this company. So let's delve into which car stations are famous or popular in America, and what manufacturers are playing in the field, right? The major car wash machine manufacturers that supply to America. This article was generated by Gemini, the Google Gemini, or AI overview. So let's delve in. The reason I am trying to read this article is to hone in on my pronunciation, right? I would like to become almost on the native speaker's level when it comes to English. And I would like to impersonate Trump, right? It's very difficult, but I would make it. People want me to make it. I love it, and they love it, right? So, and then I will post all the videos of me impersonating Trump on the YouTube, and I would become a Korean Trump sensation, right? That's my imagination. That will boost me up to learn English and practice pronunciation. So that's why I am here. Here we go. Determining the best car wash in the U.S. is subjective, of course, and depends on individual priorities. However, based on factors like market share, customer satisfaction, and innovation, some of the top contenders include Love My Car Wash, Love My Car Wash, Mr. Car Wash, Take 5 Car Wash, and Valet Auto Wash. Here's a more detailed look at these options. 1. Love My Car Wash. This car wash stands out for its emphasis on quality, eco-friendly practices, and personalized experiences. 2. Mr. Car Wash. Known for its widespread network and convenient locations, Mr. Car Wash is a popular choice for many. 3. Take 5 Car Wash. This chain is recognized for its speed and efficiency, offering a quick and convenient car wash experience. 4. Valet Auto Wash. Valet Auto Wash is renowned for its innovative technology, including the world's longest conveyor car wash tunnel and its commitment to creating a unique and enjoyable experience. 5. Other notable contenders. Tidal Wave Auto Spa, known for its full-service offerings and attention to detail. Zips Car Wash, a fast-growing chain with a focus on customer service and modern facilities. Tommy's Express Car Wash, CP Top 100 car washes, recognized for its quick service and professional cleaning. Blue Wave Express Car Wash aims to be the Starbucks of car washes with a focus on customer experience. Valet Auto Wash, known for repurposed historical buildings and offering unique, large-scale car wash experiences. Ultimately, the best car wash for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences, such as whether you prioritize speed, convenience, a full-service experience, or eco-friendly practices. So Valet Auto Wash sounds good, right? Known for repurposing historical buildings and offering unique, large-scale car wash experiences. And Blue Wave Express Car Wash aims to be the Starbucks of car washes with a focus on customer experience. Okay, so there's a top 10, right? Top 10 car washes stations in the USA for 2025. Okay, sounds good. So you've been thinking about getting into the car wash business? Great choice. The industry is growing phenomenally, and it's a fantastic time to join in. Whether you are looking for a traditional car wash, a more modern self-car wash near me, or even a green, eco-friendly option, there's plenty of opportunities out there for you. So here, there are plenty of opportunities. There is plenty of opportunities. I would say there are plenty of opportunities out there is more correct. Maybe you've been typing touchless car wash near me or self-service car wash near me into Google a lot lately. Or you are just curious what's the best way to start in the business. Don't worry, we've got you covered with all the details right here. Let's look into the top 10 car wash franchises in the USA for 2024. These are the big names that offer top-tier training, solid support, and a proven track record in the car wash world. Track record, right? Track record. So from this article, not much to learn, but so far it's okay. Best 10 car wash stations in the USA. Following are the best 10 car wash stations in the United States of America. 1. Mr. Clean. 2. Fleet Clean USA. 3. Tommy's Express. 4. Green Shine Waterless. 5. Detail Experts. 6. Monkey Shine. 7. No H20. 8. Spiffy. 9. Cactus Car Wash. 10. Eco Wash Mobile. Right? Never heard of them, right? Mr. Clean. You know Mr. Clean, right? Yep, the same guy from all those cleaning products. Turns out he knows a thing or two about cleaning cars too. Mr. Clean Car Wash started in 2008 and has been a hit ever since. They offer everything from a quick wash to full detailing, and their brand name alone makes them a popular choice. Very good, turns out, right? It turns out. Turns out he knows a thing or two about cleaning cars too. Turns out he knows a thing or two about cleaning cars too. Turns out he knows a thing or two about cleaning cars. If you've been searching for a self car wash near me or touchless car wash near me, chances are you've come across one of their locations. As a franchise owner, you will benefit from the power of that big brand name and some pretty good training programs to help you get started. The catch is not the cheapest option, with an initial investment ranging from $2.4 million to $3.2 million. Damn expensive. Plus a franchise fee of $35,000. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? Hey, but you get what you pay for. A franchise fee. Initial investment. Expensive. 2. Fleet Clean USA. Now, if you are looking for something a bit different, Fleet Clean USA could be just your thing. Could be, right? This is good expression. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, Fleet Clean USA could be just your thing. They focus on fleet vehicles, like a delivery vans, trucks, that sort of thing. Since 2009, they've been providing specialized washing services that cater to businesses with lots of vehicles on the road. So, if you've been looking up car wash near me and thinking bigger, like maybe washing a whole fleet, Fleet Clean USA is worth checking out. Startup costs are a bit more manageable, beginning at around $158,000, and they provide their own software to help manage everything. So, if you want something more than just a regular car wash, this could be it, right? Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, Fleet USA could be just your thing, right? Now, if you are looking for something a bit different, Fleet Clean USA could be just your thing. 3. Tommy's Express. Tommy's Express is all about fast, efficient service with a modern twist. They started in 1969, but they are far from old-fashioned. They've got this cool high-tech vibe going on, which makes them stand out from your typical car wash. Looking for a quick self-service car wash near me that also looks good? Tommy's Express could be it. The investment is on the higher end, between $2.3 million and $4.8 million, and a $40,000 franchise fee, but you are getting a spot in one of the most modern car wash brands out there. Plus, customers love how fast and easy it is to get in and out, which is a big win. Good expression, right? Plus, customers love how fast and easy it is to get in and out, which is a big win, right? Especially, which is a big win. Plus, which is a big win, which is a big win, which is a big win, which is a big win. Plus, customers love how fast and easy it is to get in and out, which is a big win. 4. Green Shine Waterless. If saving water and going green is your thing, Green Shine Waterless might be just what you're looking for. They've been around since 2005 and specialize in car washes that don't use much water. Instead, they use special eco-friendly products that still get your car shiny clean without wasting water. Have you been on the hunt for an eco-friendly car wash near me? Green Shine Waterless is probably the best choice. Plus, they are one of the more affordable franchises to get into. with investments ranging from just $22,700 to $49,100 and a franchise fee of $19,900. This could be perfect for you if you care about the environment and want to start a car wash business at a lower cost. 5. Detail experts. Detail experts takes the eco-friendly game to another level. Launched in 2002, they use steam cleaning to wash cars, which saves a lot of water compared to traditional car washes. Their method is super thorough and also pretty gentle on your car's paint, right? Their method is super thorough and also pretty gentle on your car's paint. Good expression. I would like to remember that. Remember that sentence. Their method is so thorough and also pretty gentle on their car's paint. If you are typing hand car wash near me into your search bar and want something that's also green, Detail Experts is a great option. They offer lots of support and training to new owners, which makes it easier to get started. The initial investment ranges from $81,000 to $160,000 with a $35,000 franchise fee. A good pick if you want to make a positive impact while making some money. Their method is super thorough and pretty gentle, right? Also pretty gentle on your car's paint. 6. Monkey Shine. Monkey Shine brings a bit of fun and color to the car wash business. They've been around since 2007, offering both express and automatic washes as well as self-service car wash options. Their bright branding and friendly vibe make them a local favorite in many places. Looking for a self-car wash near me with a bit more personality? Monkey Shine could be the one for you. The initial costs range from $166,950 to $786,300, with franchise fees between $5,000 and $25,000. It's a solid choice if you want a brand that's fun and approachable. 7. No H2O. No H2O is changing the car wash game with their innovative waterless cleaning methods. Some strange chemical name, right? H2O means water. Since 2007, they've been offering washes that use less than 4 ounces of water per vehicle. Wow, compared to the 35 gallons used in traditional washes. They've got mobile services that come to you, which is pretty convenient. Been searching for a touchless car wash near me that also helps save water? No H2O is definitely one to consider. The initial investment ranges from $81,600 to $119,500 with a $25,000 franchise fee. This is a great option for people who want to join an eco-friendly and innovative company. Okay, Spiffy, Spotify, right? Spiffy. 8. Spiffy. Spiffy brings the car wash to your doorstep. Really? That's good expression though. Spiffy brings the car wash to your doorstep. Spiffy brings the car wash to your doorstep. Founded in 2014, wow, lately, right? They offer on-demand services that can be booked through their easy-to-use app. From quick washes to full details, they've got everything covered and even provide environmentally friendly options. If you are into tech and convenience, or if you've been looking for a mobile car wash near me, Spiffy could be a great fit. Initial investments range from $91,300 to $149,150 with a $40,000 franchise fee. It's perfect for those who want to mix tech with a good old-fashioned clean car, right? Good old-fashioned clean car, Spiffy. So Spiffy brings the car wash to your doorstep. So I guess they just come and wash your car, right? And applies the details. 9. Cactus Car Wash. Cactus Car Wash has been a trusted name for a luxurious car wash experience. Cactus Car Wash. Cactus Car Wash has been a trusted name for a luxurious car wash experience since 1996. They've got lounge areas where customers can chill with a coffee. Wow, that's good. While their car gets cleaned. They offer everything from basic washes to full-service detailing. If you are thinking about a luxury car wash near me, Cactus Car Wash could be a great choice. The initial investment is between $2.3 million and $3.8 billion, with a $45,000 franchise fee. This one's for those who want to offer a high-end experience and cater to a premium clientele. 10. EcoWash Mobile. Yep, their cactus sounds, I don't know, prickish, but probably they are based in Arizona, Texas, or somewhere, right? Or California. 10. EcoWash Mobile. EcoWash Mobile is all about sustainability. Since 2004, they've been using nanotechnology to wash cars without water while still getting them spotless. They are all about going green, and they've got over 2,000 units worldwide already. Searching for a self-service car wash near me that's also green and clean, EcoWash Mobile might be the way to go. The initial investment ranges from $180,700 to $290,750 with a $30,000 franchise fee. They are a strong pick if you care about the environment and want to offer something unique in your area. Note, if you don't know what WinOLS is, you can read about WinOLS on my right. How to choose the right franchise for you? That one I will do it later.